So, Amy, what is an escrow account?
So an escrow account is where we are taking a look at the current property taxes on the house you're looking at buying or refinancing and getting an insurance policy in place. We're setting enough money in that account to pay those bills as those come due. So there's usually an initial amount that goes in the escrow account to basically pay the current year's taxes and insurance, and then we're setting up in the monthly payment to keep adding to that escrow account each month as you make your monthly payment.
You may hear your realtor refer to it as prepaids, and that basically is exactly what it is. You are prepaying the escrow account. So It's called closing costs and prepaids.
Yep. So if for the insurance part of the escrow account, you are paying it for the full next year. So eventually when you go to sell that house, or if you ever change insurance companies, you're going to be paid ahead on that. So you'll end up getting money back from your escrow account or your insurance agent.
Yep.
And there is a way to waive that if ever needed. So on conventional mortgages, as long as you have 20% down or more, you can choose to waive the escrow account. And what that means is your monthly payment would be just your principal and interest. And then as those taxes and insurance bills come due every year, you would just cut a check yourself and pay, Holland Township or your insurance agent. So there's some people prefer, one way or the other. Most people, I'd say escrow, just because it's one payment you're making and the taxes and insurance automatically get paid, and you don't have to think about it. You don't have to have, $3,000 ready on July 1st to pay your property taxes, which is not so fun sometimes. And
so I would say one of the questions I get a lot from first-time home buyers is there a fee to do an escrow account?
Nope. It's something automatic. The mortgage actually would prefer to have the escrow account on it, I'd say, just because they know then for certain that those taxes and insurance are getting paid. They don't have to track them down.
And getting paid on time.
Yep. So most people choose the escrow, and it depends on time of year and what size the escrow account is, but we calculate it based to make sure that bill is always going to have, there's always enough in that escrow account to pay it.